Today, I'll walk you through how to select multiple records in Airtable so you can edit, delete, or copy them all at once. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge all work perfectly with Airtable. Once your browser is open, navigate to Airtable's website and click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll land on your workspace dashboard, where all your bases are listed now. Locate the base you want to edit and click to open it. A base is like a project folder that contains several tables. Once inside, open the table that holds the records you need to work with. This could be anything from a contact list to an inventory tracker. You'll see your records displayed in rows, similar to a spreadsheet. Next, click the first record you want to select. This will highlight that single row. If you want to select a continuous range of records, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click another record further down the list. Everything between the first and second record you clicked will become highlighted. This is especially useful when you need to bulk update a group of entries that appear in sequence, like a week's worth of tasks. But if your records aren't in a nice consecutive block, don't worry. You can also select multiple non-adjacent records. On a Windows computer, hold down the Control key while clicking each individual record you want. On a Mac, use the Command key instead. Each record you click will become highlighted, even if there are unselected records in between. This gives you the flexibility to cherry-pick specific items from different parts of your table. Once your records are highlighted, you'll see them clearly selected, ready for action. You can now perform a range of operations on all of them at once. Edit a field across multiple records, delete them together, or copy and paste them elsewhere in the base. Airtable will apply your changes to every selected record, saving you from having to repeat the same task over and over. And that's it. You now know how to select multiple records in Airtable, whether in a range or individually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.